A solid foundation is essential for ensuring safety and efficiency in your electrical system. Electricity. We can't live without it, but it can be dangerous if not handled properly. A safe and efficient electrical system is crucial for any home or business. It's about protecting your property and the people you care about. And let's not forget about saving money on your energy bills. An efficient system can significantly reduce your energy consumption. A well-designed system is an investment that pays off in the long run. When we talk about safety, we're talking about preventing electrical fires, shocks, and other hazards. A properly installed and maintained system minimizes these risks, ensuring peace of mind. Efficiency goes hand in hand with safety. It's about using electricity wisely and reducing waste, which benefits both the environment and your wallet. Think of your electrical system as the backbone of your home or business. It needs to be strong, reliable, and built to last. By understanding the basics of electrical systems, you can make informed decisions about your property and ensure that it's safe for years to come. Remember, this guide is just a starting point. Always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work. They have the knowledge and experience to get the job done right, ensuring your system is both safe and efficient. Planning your electrical system. No room for shortcuts. Every detail matters, and cutting corners can lead to serious issues down the line. Before you start running wires and installing outlets, you need a solid plan. This plan ensures that everything is in place and functions correctly. This is where a qualified electrician comes in. Their expertise is crucial in creating a safe and efficient electrical system. They will assess your needs and design a system that meets the demands of your home or business. This includes considering future expansions or changes. One of the first steps is load calculation. This step is essential to ensure that your system can handle the electrical load. This involves determining how much electrical power your appliances and devices will use. Accurate calculations prevent overloading and potential hazards. It's important to factor in everything from lighting and appliances to electronics and HVAC systems. Next comes circuit design, which is equally critical. Circuits are like the pathways that electricity follows throughout your home. Proper design ensures efficient and safe distribution of power. Each circuit can only handle a certain amount of load. Exceeding this limit can cause serious problems. Overloading a circuit can lead to tripped breakers and even fires. This is why careful planning and adherence to guidelines are crucial. The 80% rule is a good rule of thumb. It provides a buffer to ensure safety and reliability. This means you shouldn't load a circuit beyond 80% of its capacity. This precaution helps in maintaining a safe electrical system. This provides a safety margin and prevents overloading. Safety measures are essential to protect your home and its occupants. Your electrician will also follow the National Electrical Code guidelines. These guidelines are designed to ensure the highest safety standards. These codes set the standards for safe electrical installations. Following them is not just a recommendation, but a necessity for safety and compliance. The right stuff, choosing quality electrical materials. Just like any construction project, using quality materials is crucial for a safe and efficient electrical system. Cutting corners here can lead to problems down the road. Let's start with wiring. Copper wiring is the gold standard. It's an excellent conductor of electricity and highly resistant to heat. Aluminum wiring was once popular, but it has some drawbacks. It's not as good a conductor and can be a fire hazard if not installed properly. Wire gauge refers to the thickness of the wire. The lower the gauge number, the thicker the wire. Thicker wires can handle more current without overheating. Your electrician will choose the appropriate wire gauge based on the circuit's load and length. Safety devices are non-negotiable. Ground fault circuit interrupters are essential in areas where water is present, like bathrooms and kitchens. Arc fault circuit interrupters protect against arcing, a common cause of electrical fires. Surge protectors safeguard your electronics from sudden power surges. Installation. It's not a DIY job, folks. Electrical work is not for amateurs. It's complex and potentially dangerous. Always hire a licensed electrician to handle the installation of your electrical system. They have the skills and knowledge to ensure it's done safely and correctly. Before any work begins, the main breaker should be turned off. This cuts off the power to the entire electrical panel, preventing shocks and other accidents. Your electrician will use a voltage tester to double-check that the power is off before starting work. Labeling is crucial. Every circuit breaker in the panel should be clearly labeled. This makes it easy to identify which circuits control which areas of your home or business. It's also essential for troubleshooting and maintenance. Remember, safety is paramount. Don't cut corners or try to tackle electrical work yourself unless you're qualified. A mistake could have serious consequences. Section 5. Safety First. GFCIs, AFCIs, and Surge Protection. In this section we will delve into the essential safety devices that protect your home and loved ones from electrical hazards. Let's talk about those safety devices we mentioned earlier. GFCIs, AFCIs, and surge protectors. These devices are crucial in maintaining a safe electrical environment in any home or workplace. These are your first line of defense against electrical hazards. They are designed to detect and respond to specific electrical issues that could pose serious risks. GFCIs are designed to protect against ground faults. They are especially important in areas where water is present, such as bathrooms and kitchens. A ground fault occurs when electricity takes an unintended path to the ground, such as through a person or water. This can be extremely dangerous and even fatal. GFCIs detect these imbalances in current and quickly shut off the power, preventing potentially fatal shocks. They are a critical component in any safety plan. AFCIs protect against arc faults. These devices are essential in preventing electrical fires caused by faulty wiring. An arc fault is an unintended arc of electricity between two conductors. This can create a dangerous situation if not addressed promptly. This can happen due to damaged wiring, loose connections, or even a nail penetrating a wire. Regular inspections can help identify these issues before they become serious. Arcs generate intense heat and can easily ignite surrounding materials, causing a fire. AFCIs are designed to detect these arcs and shut off the power before a fire can start. Surge protectors are like bodyguards for your electronics. They shield your devices from sudden spikes in electrical current. They protect against voltage surges, which are sudden increases in electrical current. These surges can come from various sources and can be very damaging. Surges can be caused by lightning strikes, power outages, or even just turning on a large appliance. Each of these events can send a surge of electricity through your wiring. These surges can damage or even destroy sensitive electronic equipment. Using surge protectors can save you from costly repairs or replacements. Section 6. Saving energy, saving money. Tips for an efficient system. An energy-efficient electrical system isn't just good for the environment, it's good for your wallet. By reducing energy waste, you can lower your monthly electricity bills. Lighting is a great place to start. LED lights are incredibly energy efficient. They use a fraction of the electricity of traditional incandescent bulbs and last much longer. Switching to LEDs can significantly reduce your lighting costs. Smart thermostats are another smart investment. They learn your heating and cooling preferences and adjust the temperature accordingly, even when you're not home. This can save you a bundle on your heating and cooling bills. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient appliances. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label. They meet strict energy efficiency guidelines and can save you money in the long run. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug chargers when not in use, and use power strips to easily turn off multiple devices at once. Section 7. Keeping it running smoothly. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Like any system in your home, your electrical system requires regular maintenance to ensure it stays safe and efficient. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. One simple task is to inspect your electrical panel periodically. Look for any signs of damage such as burn marks, loose connections, or tripped breakers. If you notice anything unusual, contact a qualified electrician immediately. Test your GFCI outlets monthly by pressing the test button. The outlet should trip and cut off the power. Press the reset button to restore power. If the outlet doesn't trip, it may be faulty and needs to be replaced. Check your appliance cords for any fraying, cuts, or damage. Damaged cords can be a fire hazard and should be replaced immediately. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing problems before they arise. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Section 8. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even with the best intentions, homeowners can make mistakes when it comes to electrical work. Let's look at some common blunders and how to avoid them. One common mistake is overloading circuits. We've all been there, plugging in one too many devices into an outlet. This can cause the circuit breaker to trip, cutting off power to that circuit. To avoid overloading, distribute your electrical load evenly across multiple circuits. Another no-no is using the wrong type of wire. Using a wire gauge that's too small for the circuit's load can cause the wire to overheat, creating a fire hazard. Always consult the NEC guidelines or a qualified electrician to determine the appropriate wire gauge. Don't ignore warning signs. If you experience flickering lights, frequently tripped breakers, or a burning smell coming from outlets or appliances, it's a sign that something is wrong. Don't ignore these warning signs. Contact a qualified electrician immediately to diagnose and fix the problem. Section 9. Conclusion. When in doubt, call a pro. A safe and efficient electrical system is vital for any home or business. By understanding the basics of electrical systems, you can make informed decisions about your property and ensure its safety. Remember, electrical work is not a DIY project. Always hire a licensed electrician to handle any electrical installations, repairs, or upgrades. They have the knowledge, experience, and tools to get the job done safely and correctly. Think of it this way: your safety and the safety of your loved ones are priceless. Don't cut corners when it comes to something as important as your electrical system. Be informed, be proactive, and always err on the side of caution. And remember,